What's up, guys? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and I wanted to put this video together for the new trader, for the veteran trader, for any trader that cares to watch this and cares to listen to the message. I want to tell you something. One of my core challenges as a trader is patience, and I think that that's probably a common theme across the board. I know that today I got into a trade with MU. I was shorting it. Earnings is coming tomorrow. It's not as volatile as I'd like, and I'm trying to push. I want to get to profit. I want to get out of the position. But the fact of the matter is that I don't have that type of control in the market. The only thing that I can control are my patience and my patience with the position that I'm in. And today, MU gave me a kind reminder that I control nothing but my patience and my risk management levels. So I wanted to put this together for you guys to remind you that if there is ever one core key that you should focus on with trading, it should probably be patience related. As I said, I'm in MU. I'm going to go downstairs and close out this position very, very soon, but I wanted to talk to you about patience and the importance of patience and how it plagues all of us with trading. And I'm no different. I might be ahead of the curve with some of you guys with trading, but at the end of the day, I still have the things that I suffer from, and it's always patience. Patience with trading is a thing that always gets me. But I will tell you this: patience got me here. Patience got me here. Patience got me out of my 9-to-5 job as a real estate agent, which I hated, by the way. Shout out if you're a realtor, respect, but you need to holler if you want to get out of that. Patience got me here, got me out of that. It got me into a situation where I was able to provide a better life for my family and exercise true freedom. Patience got me that, and it was all a byproduct of being patient on every single trade that I did. It was the byproduct of being patient while educating myself and continuing to educate myself. That's another thing, guys. This process as a student doesn't stop. It's super important to understand the most vetted traders out there. And I learned this from veteran traders, is that the educational process never stops. Every single trade you put on has to be reviewed. Every single day you're in the market, you have to review what you're doing, how you're doing it, and everything you have to do has to be and based on a position of patience. So if there's one thing that I can give you today, one key, one core, one little bit of value, it would be this. Please be patient. Please be patient when trading. Please be patient with yourself. Be patient with your strategy. Be patient with your approach, and understand that there is absolutely nothing that you can control in the market other than your own patience and your risk management. And I can assure you that if you fast forward a couple months, years, depending upon how long your process takes, you'll find yourself in your spot that you've been patiently waiting to appreciate and enjoy. And for me, it's this city right through here. It's December 15th, 16th, 17th, I don't know. It's a weekday, I know that much for sure. And I'm down here in Panama City, and it's close to 100 degrees. I haven't worn pants in months. And that's all the byproduct of me exercising absolute patience with my learning curve in the market. If you have any questions, I'm at Julian at jlewistrading.com.